So I took a little tour. Hopefully the wind isn't that bad. And I came back with a little bit of little pizza and a little something to drink. I figure there's nothing better than relaxing on the balcony, enjoying the views and some pizza. So just relaxing. So I took a little bit of video from the other side of the ship. You can see Cuba off of the starboard side. We're on the port side. So I'll throw that in here too. But so much fun, so relaxing. Melissa's inside relaxing. I'm out here. Quite nice. So hey everyone, we had a great day today. We did some deck time, some serenity time.
You can check out Ron's nose. He got a little bit of sun.
A little bit. I went down the slides, all for you. It wasn't for me. I just did it for you.
Oh, of course.
But we had a great time today. We're going to the steakhouse tonight to celebrate our anniversary. We're having fun together. And we love that you guys watch the channel. So like and subscribe. And we'll talk to you soon.